How to show hidden files on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, go here on our desktop. And then once we are now on our desktop, the next thing that we need to do is to open our File Explorer. So just go here on the search bar and then search for File Explorer right here and then click Open. Once you click that, the next thing that we need to do in this part is to look for this PC. So just click this PC right here. And then once you're now here, you will now be able to see all of the devices and drivers that you have. Now, the next thing that we need to do right here is to look for the three dots in this row of options. So look for that and then click that See More button. Once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to click on Options, which is right here. So this will pop up, which is the folders options. So the next thing that we need to do right here is to just click on View, and then under the Advanced Settings, just look for Hidden Files and Folders. So currently, I have selected Don't Show Hidden Files, Folders, or Drivers. Now to change that, all you have to do is to click this, and then after that, click Apply, and then click OK. After you do that, you will now be able to see all of the hidden files that is in your computer. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to show hidden files on Windows 11.